Hey, good afternoon, Bob Trade Genius, the 24th of April. And all I could say is, wow. So, yesterday and this morning, it looked like it was coming to fruition, is that we would have a Tuesday bounce on a Monday flat recovery on a fourth week of the month of April and good earnings reports. And then we opened and it pushed up, and then that was it. It was just rollover central. And I had calls and I had puts on VXX, and as soon as the this VWAP got violated after 12:30, it did not look like it was going to be any kind of recovery. I had to bail on those calls, and I flipped to May 260 puts, and then I'm going to do what's called diagonal sold puts against it to keep bringing my price down. And so I sold the 260s for tomorrow, and then depending on the action, I'll just continue to do so all the way through till May, adjusting the sold put as necessary, like I did on the calls on the way up before, and the puts I did last week on SPY. But wow, crazy. And my vol stop was kind of inconclusive because we were above VWAP and it looked like it was going to push through and make another run maybe to fill this gap, but it just got torched. So now I'm not sure tomorrow if we'll get just a bear flag or if they're going to try to whisper sweet nothings at the market, but I think the market's pretty broken right now. This is supposed to be the quarter to drive trade change, and it's not working. Here's Caterpillar. Okay, gap up and crap. Here's Google. Gap up and crap. Okay, here's what's coming. Facebook is coming. Amazon's coming. And I think Netflix is, I'm not sure if it's today or I could be confusing myself. That's down too. These are all the FANGs. And here's Apple. And you got to realize these are cross-owned across many ETFs, so the selling is just going to continue. In tech's the problem, but we're not just in tech ourselves or in the market in general. We're in commodities. Okay, gold is ready to flash a buy signal here for us. Silver was updated today. AG updated today and back to VWAP. Hecla, DRD, and SILJ. Okay, so those are the silver's holding up today. Silver miners are holding up today, and gold looks like it's ready to take a turn. But the the industrial metals are not doing so great. Here's XME. Okay, that pushed down a little bit at the end here, but US Steel Corp. And let's see here. What else I want to show you? Here's lithium broke down too. So you know, let's see what our good friend Tesla's doing. I think high beta FANGs are in trouble. So you got to remember this is a market cap weighted index. So when the big ones start to tumble, you know, it's like getting in front of an avalanche. You just got to find shelter until it's until it's all over. And so for us, you know, like I said, I've been really careful. Like I said, you know, for us, we're long cryptos, long silver miners, and occasional commodities as they pop their head up, and then you know, staying out of the rest of the market, because I've seen this movie before. This market is overvalued, and you got 3% 10-year now. You got the the more frequent yields are coming up too, so these guys can't buy back their shares. It costs too much money now. And everything, if you look at auto delinquencies are up, credit card charge-offs are up, a lot of problems in the market here. Got to be really, really careful now. So no sense of being a hero, and things are going to move a lot of times in lockstep. So I would just follow the big trades right now. So let me just go and show you the top ETFs, and we'll finish up with that. So here's SPY. Okay, TVX pushed up. Financials are in trouble. And I'll show you a square here in a second. The Qs are breaking down, obviously. Emerging markets are breaking down. UVXY up against VWAP. I think it's going to push through. I don't think this is a one-day event. Same with the VIX. Pushed to the VWAP. I think it's going to push through. Okay, China. Okay, here's one of the ultra shorts. Ever since the 19th, it was getting a bid, which is interesting on the Qs. GDX back above VWAP. It's a good sign. Okay, I think oil's going to start getting a little bit of trouble here too. I'll show you two other charts here in a second. Okay, this was holding up nicely. This is what kind of froze me. Qs were down, SPY was down, but IWM was up, and then all of a sudden it just gave up the ghost. And then I knew the gig was up here for me to see if we're going to get an end of the day rally. Let me show you one more, and then I'll flip over to two other things. that's XLE. So here's USO on the oil side. Okay, I think oil's finally ready to reach down back into VWAP. And then we trade Square, and then Square just fell out of bed. And some people were asking in the room today when we should buy it. I said not before 46 when it was up here. Now it's below 46, but this looks like a bear flag to me. So I probably wouldn't even be interested till you get maybe back to 43.70, or even back to this fib line here at 42.90. The market's in trouble. So what happened in 2008, which makes it even scarier, is we get these big days down. Tomorrow will be a big day up. Everybody say all clear, be big day down again. And so you almost have to play it by being long and short, and hedging with options, and hedging with sold puts and calls, doing diagonals, or you're just going to drive yourself insane, because these guys are operating algorithms that are going to move much faster than you're going to be able to react. So anyway, market just closed. On that note, I'll let you guys go. I'll have a good one. Check us out. We're having a pretty good time here with the cryptos and the miners, and we're shifting that way. We think that's where the hockey puck's going. Come join us, come trade with us, and make some money. Thanks. Bye-bye.